Welcome to Chasing Curiosity TV. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates. The Indo-Pacific is at a crossroads, with great power rivalries now a daily reality. September 15, 2025. The South China Sea appears calm, but beneath the surface, tensions are mounting. The Philippines, positioned at the heart of vital sea lanes, faces an urgent need to defend its maritime borders. Northern Luzon, once a quiet region, is now the nation's strategic front line. The government has shifted from counterinsurgency to a doctrine of credible deterrence and territorial defense. The Philippine Marine Corps leads this transformation, adapting from jungle warfare to coastal and amphibious operations. Their mission denies adversaries freedom of action within Philippine waters. This requires new equipment, training, and a mindset fit for 21st century threats. The world is watching as the Philippines conducts joint exercises, upgrades its arsenal, and signals its resolve. The Northern Luzon Marines now stand as symbols of national determination. They are the guardians of a new front line, embodying the country's commitment to peace through strength. Their story is one of a nation awakening to its strategic importance and taking bold steps to secure its future. Northern Luzon's location makes it one of the Indo-Pacific's most critical strategic points. Overlooking the Luzon Strait, a vital artery for global trade and military movement, the region is a gateway to the archipelago. The Bashi Channel, separating Batanes from Taiwan, places the Philippines at the center of any regional conflict. Control of this choke point is essential for national and regional security. Beneath the waves, undersea data cables carry much of East Asia's internet traffic, making the area vital for digital security. The Philippine military's presence here defends both territory and critical infrastructure. The Northern Luzon Command is tasked with guarding this passage, supported by highly mobile marine units. These forces act as a rapid reaction team, ready for maritime incursions or amphibious threats. Their mission: keep the Luzon Strait open for commerce, but closed to aggressors. The defense of Northern Luzon is the defense of the nation itself. The Philippine Marine Corps, once focused on jungle counterinsurgency, is now pivoting to external defense. Marines are training for coastal defense, amphibious operations, and rapid island deployment. In Northern Luzon, they practice beach landings, establish coastal positions, and coordinate with the Navy and Air Force. The new strategy leverages the archipelago's geography, turning islands into a layered defense system. Marines are being re-equipped and retrained to counter state-level threats. The enemy is no longer hidden in the jungle, but could be a naval fleet on the horizon. This shift demands mastery of new weapons, joint operations, and a broader understanding of modern warfare. The Northern Luzon Marines are at the forefront, embodying a military ready to defend every inch of Philippine territory. Their transformation is a model for the entire armed forces. Modern threats require modern tools. The Philippine Marines' transformation is powered by new weapons, like the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile, giving them credible anti-ship capability. Mobile launchers and advanced artillery extend their reach, while anti-tank missiles and surveillance drones enhance their effectiveness. Real-time intelligence from drones and networked systems allows for rapid, precise targeting. Training now focuses on joint network-centric warfare, integrating data from land, sea, and air assets. Marines are better equipped with new body armor, communications, and night vision gear. The goal: a force that is well-armed, protected, and digitally connected. The modern Northern Luzon Marine is both a warrior and a technician, ready for any challenge. This blend of technology and tradition makes them a formidable force. The Philippine Marines' modernization is accelerated by a revitalized alliance with the United States. The annual Balikatan exercise has evolved into a massive multi-domain war game focused on high-end warfare. In Northern Luzon, U.S. and Philippine Marines train side by side, practicing joint coastal defense and amphibious operations. Philippine forces gain experience with advanced U.S. systems like HIMARS, learning to integrate precision fires into their plans. This interoperability is crucial. Shared tactics and seamless communication could be decisive in a crisis. Live fire exercises, including SYNCEX, demonstrate a credible combined capability to control the maritime domain. These drills send a powerful message of deterrence to potential aggressors. The U.S. provides military aid, training, and technical expertise, accelerating the AFP's modernization. The alliance enables the Philippines to build its defense capacity faster and more effectively. U.S. and Philippine Marines training together in Northern Luzon symbolize a robust, relevant treaty alliance. This partnership extends beyond exercises, supporting infrastructure, logistics, and rapid response. The alliance is a cornerstone of regional security and a shared commitment to a free and open Indo-Pacific. For the Northern Luzon Marines, it means confidence, capability, and a united front. Effective defense requires rapid deployment. The Philippines, with U.S. support, is developing a network of bases and logistical hubs in Northern Luzon under the Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement, EDCA. These are Philippine bases with U.S. access for joint training, pre-positioning equipment, and disaster response. EDCA sites in Cagayan and Isabela serve as strategic staging points, reducing response times to hours. Pre-positioned supplies and new infrastructure make both U.S. and Philippine forces more agile and resilient. Marine units are now dispersed across forward locations, closer to potential flashpoints. New runways, piers, and barracks transform these sites into modern operational hubs. This distributed posture complicates any adversary's planning and enhances maritime domain awareness. These bases project presence and power, symbolizing the Philippines' and U.S. commitment to regional security. For the Marines, these facilities are launchpads for rapid, robust defense. They ensure the nation's frontier is guarded and ready. The Philippines' new defense posture is about deterrence, preventing conflict by raising the cost of aggression. Deterrence rests on two pillars: growing military capability and strong alliances. The Northern Luzon Marines, with new weapons and training, form the first pillar. The U.S. alliance, anchored by the 1951 Mutual Defense Treaty, is the second. Joint patrols, expanded base access, and large-scale exercises demonstrate credible commitment. An attack on Philippine forces could trigger a U.S. response, raising the stakes for any aggressor. The Philippines is also deepening ties with Japan and Australia, building a layered security network. These partnerships provide advanced training, technology, and a united diplomatic front. For the Marines, alliances mean they are never alone, part of a larger effort to maintain peace. Standing together, the Philippines and its allies make conflict less likely. The Northern Luzon Marines are central to the Comprehensive Archipelagic Defense Concept, CADC, a new national strategy. CADC projects a defensive perimeter into surrounding waters, leveraging the archipelago's geography. The outer defense layer uses long-range surveillance and strike capabilities. The inner layer, led by Marines and Army, focuses on coastal denial. The strategy relies on mobile missile, artillery, and air defense units, creating interlocking fields of fire. Seamless information flow between all AFP branches is key. Data from ships, drones, and ground units is fused for rapid response. The AFP's modernization roadmap, Horizon 3, prioritizes acquiring advanced systems and joint capabilities. The transformation of the Northern Luzon Marines is the first step in building a truly integrated, future-ready military. It's a long-term effort to secure the nation's sovereignty in a contested region. On September 15, 2025, the Philippines stands more secure and resolute than ever. The Northern Luzon Marines, transformed into a modern coastal defense force, embody the nation's strategic pivot. Their presence in the Luzon Strait is a credible deterrent and a clear signal of resolve. This readiness is the result of deliberate modernization, revitalized alliances, and new partnerships. The story of the Northern Luzon Marines is one of national resolve and non-negotiable sovereignty. Shoulder to shoulder with allies, they are vigilant sentinels on the nation's frontier. Their watch ensures the Philippines remains free, secure, and proud.